Hello everyone, my name is Ben van der Scheur and I'm sending you a special message. We are sending you a special message. It's the end of the year 2022 and the holiday season is always a good moment to reflect and celebrate with those who are close to you. We as iteam will send you a special message this year. So thank you for your contribution, your trust and your cooperation. Let's make a brilliant 2023 together. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Feliz Navidad!
Merry Christmas!
Joyeux Noël!
Goed jul.
Gleðileg jul!
Uva jólua!
Good jul.
Good you!
Buon Natale!
Feliz Natal!
Frohes Weihnachten!
Vrolijk kerstfeest!
Schengen die Kailo!
Feliz Pascu.
Good Noël!
Zo is Schwan!
Happy Christmas!
圣诞节快乐！
Giáng sinh vui vẻ!
Christmas and New Year is around the corner. We thank you for the teamwork in 2022, which makes our year very successful. We wish you and your family a very happy Christmas and a healthy New Year. We use the motto, for a moment with Christmas, stop, look and then go. And we hope to see you again healthy in 2023. Regards to your family from Eindhoven.